This is the Nuna video. If you're thinking about getting a Nuna Revv, which is newer, if you're, I don't know, maybe you're watching this video in the future, it's not new anymore, but when I'm making this video, it's new. If you're looking for the Revv, if you're looking for a Rava, or if you're looking for a Nuna Exec, and you're confused which one is right for you and for your family, you came to the right place because I'm going to show you a comparison of all three of those car seats. If you don't know me, I'm Ellie from Magic Beans Videos. It is so nice to meet you. I review and compare strollers and car seats and baby gear and toys on YouTube. If this is your first time joining me, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel because I produce videos every week and I'm gonna help you figure out the baby gear. That's what I do. I've been doing this for a very long time. Father of 3, and I've been helping customers with baby gear for over 18 years. But so we have 3 car seats. We have the Revv, the Rava, and the Exec. So the first thing, let's start with the Revv. So it's newer to the market, and the thing that makes this super unique is that it is a swiveling car seat. So it swivels. Neither the Rava nor the Exec have a swiveling situation. So what you do is there is a little button on the bottom, on the right side and the left side. You can choose either one. You don't have to push them at the same time. You push this in and you're able to go from the rear facing position to the forward facing position in one swivel. What you're doing is you're tethering the actual base to the car and installing from the base. So this has free swiveling situation. There also is a triple layer of side impact protection, and there aren't any cup holders included where the Exec and the Rava both have cup holders. The other thing about this car seat is that it's from 5 pounds to 40 pounds. Both the Exec and the Rava are rear facing to 50 pounds, and the Exec turns into a booster seat going down the line. So if you're wondering if you're getting a Rava or a Revv, neither of them have the ability to turn into a booster seat. So the Exec is an all-in-one car seat that, again, it is from newborn, toddler, and sort of like that older kid. And you're using it as a booster seat, which is like a seatbelt positioning situation, which we highly recommend that you use. In terms of the installation, they all have different sort of mechanisms to help you install with a seatbelt. So they all have the ability to install with a latch as well, but they're optimized for a seatbelt. So there is a door compartment on the back that you can, I'm just gonna remove this. There's a door compartment in the back. You route the lap belt through, you click it in, tension with the this little door, and then you switch over the retractor, and now you have it installed. When it comes to one of the other Nuna car seats, let's take a Rava, for instance. Another thing to note, they are all flame retardant free. All Nuna car seats don't add any chemical flame retardants to make them flame retardant, which is really cool. Here is the Rava. In terms of installing that, what you're gonna do is, there are 2 compartments, again, one for rear facing and one for forward facing, and you're gonna route the seatbelts through, and then you're gonna tension them, switch over the retractor to install as well. But again, when you're getting a Rava, you have to uninstall it and reinstall it in order to move it from the rear facing position to the forward facing position. But again, the Rava does have extended rear facing to 50 pounds. There is also these side impact protection pods. So there are a triple layer of side impact protection. So there's a triple layer on all 3 seats if side impact protection is something that you're considering when buying a car seat. When it comes to the Exec, this is one of my favorite car seats. I love, love, love the Exec. First of all, I think it's beautiful. It's very slim and slender, and I just think it's a very elegant look. It has this sort of leg rest, which makes it very comfortable for your child, which doubles as an anti-rebound bar when it's in the rear-facing position, which is, I'll turn that around so you can see it goes up against the back seat of the car, and that is an anti-rebound situation. So the Revv and the Exec have anti-rebound capability, but the Rava does not. So there's another difference between the Revv, the Rava, and the Exec. There's a little button on the side, which is both on the Rava and on the Exec, but the recline mechanism on the Revv is in the middle. So this is where you can sort of recline and unrecline the Revv when you have that installed into your car. So To summarize, the Revv, swiveling car seat, up to 40 pounds, but you can go from rear facing to forward facing in a flash. The tether is connected to the base. When it comes to the Rava, it does not turn into a booster seat. So it starts from newborn up to 65 pounds, rear facing to 50 pounds. And then when you have the Exec, it is also rear facing to 50 pounds, has that anti-rebound situation, and converts to a booster seat. You really can't go wrong. They're all fantastic seats. But if you want a personalized consultation where we can break it down for you and have more questions, you should definitely book a consultation with one of our experts at nbeans.com/consultations. And if you're wondering what other car seats to get, I recommend that you watch our best car seats of 2021 video after this video. I will see you there at the next Magic Beans videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe.